In today's video, we're diving into how to create a QR code for Zoom meetings in Unicode, and I'm going to show you just how simple it can be. Stick around to find out how this tool compares to others on the market and why it might just be the solution you've been looking for. Now, creating a QR code for your Zoom meetings is incredibly useful for sharing your meeting link quickly. And the best part? Unicode makes it simple. Let's jump straight into it, starting with how you can get started. First, head over to Unicode's website. After signing up, you'll be taken to a dashboard that's user-friendly. Look for the QR code creation tool. It's right there, clear and easy to access. Once you click on it, you're going to see a spot where you can input your Zoom meeting link. But before you do that, make sure you have the Zoom meeting URL ready. If you don't have it yet, open Zoom, create your meeting, and copy the invite link. Next, paste that link into Unicode's QR code generator. You'll notice a bunch of customization options. You can adjust the color, size, and even the design of your QR code to match your branding. Now, this is where Unicode has an edge. Unlike many other platforms, the customization options here are pretty flexible, which is great if you're looking for a branded or personalized QR code. The third thing I want to mention is how quickly the QR code is generated. Within seconds, you'll have a scannable QR code ready to go. This is one of the fastest processes I've found, and if speed is a priority for you, this is a big plus. Now, let's talk about downloading your QR code. Once it's created, Unicode gives you the option to download it as a PNG or SVG file, so you can use it for both digital and print purposes. This feature is extremely useful if you're planning to share your Zoom meeting details and emails on social media or even on posters. Not all QR code generators give you both options, so it's definitely something to keep in mind. The fourth thing to consider is how Unicode stacks up against some of its competitors. Many tools, like QR Code Generator or QR Stuff, also offer similar features, but Unicode stands out for its simplicity and speed. While competitors may have more advanced features, they tend to be more complex and not as intuitive, which can lead to confusion, especially for first-time users. But what if you're after something more than just QR code creation? Unicode also has the ability to track the performance of your QR codes. That's a feature you won't find on every QR code generator out there. You'll be able to see how many people are scanning your Zoom link, giving you valuable insights into your meeting's reach. Now, here's the open loop I promised you. Stick around to the end of the video, and I'll show you an exclusive offer for an extended free trial of Unicode, plus some incredible alternatives that might actually be better suited to your needs. So, what's the catch? While Unicode is a solid choice, for a more comprehensive solution that doesn't just stop at QR codes, you might want to check out some of its competitors. Software like BeaconStack or QR Tiger offer more advanced analytics and integration features that can really elevate your Zoom meeting experience. They also come with free trials, so you can test them out before committing. But here's the thing: through the link in the description, you'll get exclusive access to an extended free trial for Unicode, along with the best benefits available only to our viewers. So, whether you choose Unicode or explore those alternatives, you're covered. You'll get the best deal and the most value for your Zoom meeting needs. Don't forget to check the link below for all the details. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.